Once again, I welcome you all to this tutorial. Yes, subscribe now on my channel from our camp and get the amazing mathematics. Okay, can you prove again this number logarithm of this? All of this, how can you prove it to be logarithm of base 10? Can you do this? But the question still remains, can you do this? If so, then you are good to go. Okay, let us look at how it's going to be done and how do we derive the answer. So when you look at this number, you'll be able to see that we have a log of base 2x minus log of 2 base x squared over log of base 4x power 3 plus 5 over 3. But how do we derive to the other answer that you want to get? Now, we say we have this base that is 4, but x2. So when you look at this keenly, this is what we are going to first do. Now you write log of base 2x minus 2. Now this 2, that is a power of x, will come in front of the logarithm. That is the log the logarithm. That 2 comes in front. So remain with the logarithm of 2x because we want to have a common factor between these two. So you're able to see the common factor here is logarithm of 2x. And you also have the logarithm of 2x over. Now we want to change base 4 to base 2 of the denominator, this logarithm. So how do you do that? You write the 3 now comes in front of the logarithm, log base 2x. So now the base of the numerator and the denominator will be 2 all over logarithm of base 2. You write it to base 2 of the 4. So the 4 comes to be here, then you write that 2 down there. So that's how you change from a bigger base to a smaller base. Also, you can do it the other way around. Now, as explained above, that log base 2x is the common factor between these two terms. So you factorize it out to remain with 1 minus 2 over 3 logarithm of base 2x over 2. Now, where does this 2 come from? It comes from the 4. When you factorize it, it becomes 2 squared. So 2 squared is here. Must be somewhere here, 2 squared. But this square that should have been here goes right away in front of the logarithm. So 2 squared, the square comes in front of the logarithm to become a 2 here. So when it goes back, it becomes 2 power 2, which gives us again 4. So now we know that if the base is 2, also have the same number that is the same as the base, that gives us 1. Same goes for log 5 base 5, log 10 base 10, log 8 base 8. So all those give us the same answer, which is 1. So now the question is, how can we derive to the answer? Let's continue. Now we have this again. Now the denominator, now downwards, since this is 1, 2 times 1 gives us a 2. So this one becomes a fraction 3 over 2 of logarithm base 2x. Now, since we factorized out, then we shall cancel out the common terms in the numerator and the denominator. So logarithm of base 2x will cancel out. We remain with 1 minus 2 will give us a negative 1 over the fraction, which is 3 over 2 plus now the other fraction, which is 5 over 3. But remember now, we have to do this. So since this is a division, so this one will become, get a reciprocal. Negative 1 divided by 3 over 2, you get a reciprocal after introducing a multiplication sign, which is 2 over 3. So this is now a negative 2 over 3 plus 5 over 3. That one gives us, so you have the same numbers in the denominator. When you are adding, you only take 1, then you add the numerators. Negative 2 plus 5, that one gives us a 3, which is a positive, divided by the denominator, which is 3 again. This one gives us 1 as the answer. Now, we have 1, but remember, 1 is equal to logarithm of 10. Logarithm base 10, 2 plus log of 5 base 10. So this is 1 will be equal to log of 2 base 10 plus log of 5 base 10. That is one. When you get this, when you equate it on a calculator, logarithm of 2 base 10 and logarithm of 5 base 10, automatically when you add those logarithms, you get 1 as the answer. But this you have to know this mathematically that 1 is equal to this. Now from the laws of logarithm, once you have an addition sign here, then you multiply these two numbers. So that one becomes 1 is equal to log of 2 times 5, that is to base 10. So, but 2 times 5 is 10. So 1 is equal to log of 10 base 10 as required to be proved from the question previously asked. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and let's continue to do these numbers, and I shall be updating and uploading more of the proof questions from different areas as we maneuver do this amazing mathematics. Meet again. Thank you for watching.